Earlier today, Lisbon witnessed a scene filled with love, anticipation, and deep devotion. Maulana Hazir Imam arrived in Portugal for a 3-day visit that would bring immense blessings to the Jamaats of Portugal and Spain. He was warmly received by Ambassador Francisco Vaz Pato, Head of State Protocol, Professor Francisco Proença Garcia, Senior Government Representative, Yasmin Boudarali, President of the Ismaili Council for Portugal, and Nazim Ahmad, Diplomatic Representative of the Ismaili Imamat. But the true welcome came from the hearts of the Jamaat, hearts overflowing with gratitude, tears, and love. Later in the day, the most awaited moment arrived.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin.
The Jamaats of Portugal and Spain gathered as one spiritual family. The Mukhi of Darkhana presented the Baya, the Pledge of Allegiance, on behalf of the entire Jamaat. And President Yasmin Boudarali delivered a beautiful address of loyalty to the Imam of the time. The hall was silent, yet every heart was speaking. Tears were falling, but not from sadness. These were tears of love, recognition, and spiritual closeness. In that unforgettable moment, when Imam-e-Zaman looked at his Jamaat, people felt their lives being touched, healed, and lifted.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin.
During his farman, Maulana Hazir Imam expressed a heartfelt concern for the health of the President of Portugal. He shared that he had conveyed prayers and best wishes for the President's recovery. On behalf of his family and the entire Jamaat, this was not just a message of protocol. It was the love of a spiritual father. A father who worries for all humanity. A leader whose compassion goes beyond community and borders. Then came an announcement that moved the Jamaat to tears. Maulana Hazir Imam declared that the merit-based undergraduate scholarship administered by Aga Khan education boards in selected countries would now become a full grant. No loans, no repayments, no debt weighing on the shoulders of students. Just pure support, pure generosity, pure love. This program, started in the 1990s, has allowed thousands to receive higher education. And today, Imam removed another barrier for thousands more. This is not just financial help. This is the Imam saying, education should never be a burden. It is a right. On behalf of the Jamaat, a special gift was presented to Maulana Hazir Imam. 2 rare 19th century books on the Islamic architecture of Al-Andalus. Al-Andalus, a land where Muslims, Jews and Christians once lived together in creativity, tolerance and respect. The architecture of Cordoba, Granada, Seville, and discoveries in Lisbon, Myrtola, Silves and Sintra all speak of a civilization that saw diversity as strength. This gift was not just literature. It was a tribute to our Imam's lifelong message of pluralism, beauty, and coexistence. Later in the day, Maulana Hazir Imam met with youth and multi-faith family members. Hope, dreams, and inspiration filled the room. Young hearts received prayers for their future, their education, and their service to society. Lives changed in those few moments, not through words alone, but through love, recognition, and blessing. Lisbon will remember this day. The Jamaats of Portugal and Spain will remember this day. Because today was not just a visit. It was a father meeting his spiritual children. It was a moment of unity, compassion, and transformation. And every heart whispered, "Thank you, Maulana Hazir Imam. You brought light into our lives. We belong to you, and you belong to us."
Ya Ali Nabi, Aulad Ali, Ya Mushkil Gusha, Ya Hazir Imam. Ya Ali Nabi, Aulad Ali, Ya Mushkil